Have you ever heard somebody talking smack about cars or driving sports, and they might say something like, "You can drive like an old grandma," or maybe even, "A grandma can outdrive you." Well, obviously those people never met my grandma.
All right, here we go.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So as you can see by the title and the thumbnail, I got something really good for you today. So I asked my grandma if she wanted to take a ride in my Camaro SS, and she said, sure. But not only did she want to ride in it, she wanted to drive. So, why not? So I got footage of me taking her for a drive first, and then I've got footage of her actually driving the car. Unfortunately, you'll see that the videos were done on 2 different days. In the first video, she drove the car, but I had my GoPro on the dash and I was controlling it from my phone. When she started driving, for some reason it didn't start recording. So we had to do it again. The second time wasn't hardly as authentic because, she had already done it. But it's still good. And I do have some clips of outside view shot from an iPhone. My aunt happened to be at the location that we turned around when we switched seats. A little bit of footage of my grandma doing a pretty hard takeoff. I wish I would have gotten it from the inside. I thought I was, but like I said, the camera failed. But anyway, it's all good footage. I think you'll enjoy it. But really quickly, if you are new to the channel and you don't know me, I'm a wheelchair user, but I'm still a die-hard car enthusiast. Here on the channel, I primarily feature my new Camaro SS, as well as my old 1983 Chevy C10, right back there. I think you can see it. I do informational videos, as well as, exciting, funny type videos like this. If that's something you're interested in, feel free to subscribe and turn on bell notifications so you don't miss anything. What are you doing out here? Come on. Come on. So, I know sometimes elderly people are, at the butt of a lot of jokes or something, kind of like I referenced at the intro. And maybe some people may perceive, old age as maybe kind of depressing. But not my grandma. My grandma's 87 years old, and she's had a lot of health issues. Well, the past couple of years, actually. But that doesn't matter to her. She's just as upbeat and outgoing and positive thinking as she always was. And as you'll see in a minute, she's still living her life just as full now as she was when she was, young and healthy. That's a quality that I've strived to have and maintain as I get older. And even, practice now, even while I'm young. But that's something I've always admired about my grandma. Pretty much whatever's going on, she's always finds the positive in it, and, she's ready to always tackle new adventures, and doesn't worry about the little things, or the big things, really. She makes the best of things, and I think we could all learn a lesson from that. But here's what you clicked on the video for. I'm going to show you the footage I shot, of my grandma and grandpa, and me taking her for a drive, and then her actually driving the car. Alright, so I got my grandparents here. My grandma, she's 87 years old. My grandpa, he'll be 90 this month. They've been married for 71 years. I've got them here with me. We're gonna take a ride in the Camaro in a little bit. I just wanted to say a little bit about them. They've been a great inspiration to me. They both got that, get up and go attitude. Don't let anything hold them back. They, started out with nothing, built up a little empire, had great entrepreneurial skills, and I've learned a lot from them. And my grandma, she's had some health issues lately, but as you'll see in a little bit, she's still got just as much drive as she ever did. Never lets anything hold her back. And I've learned a lot, you know, from observing her. And my grandpa, he's always been extremely prudent, you know, thinks things through. Hopefully I got some of those qualities. You know, they've been great people. And we're gonna go have some fun a little bit. You got anything to say, Grandma?
Yes, I would. I'd like to say how proud I am of my grandson. He's accomplished a lot, and he's a very, very fine guy, and I love him so much, and I'm so proud of him.
Well, that's good enough for me. All right, ready?
Ready to go.
Brace your neck against the back there.
Boy, dude gets up and takes off, don't it?
Alright, so that was me driving, obviously. And like I said, when we stopped, we switched seats and I let her drive. And I thought I hit record and didn't record. But here's the footage I shot the second time she drove after I realized, you know, that the camera didn't record. But at the end of this, I'll show you a clip that my aunt shot on her iPhone from the outside right after, you know, we switched seats the first time. You can't actually see that my grandma is driving because of the tinted windows. But she is. Oh yeah, and you can also hear her enthusiasm about the first time driving. So stay tuned for that at the end of this clip. Oh yeah, I was gonna say, comment below if you want to see my grandma drive this old truck. It's cammed, carbureted, and it's got a 3,000 RPM stall torque converter with 410 gears in the rear end. That would be an interesting video. Now, I haven't talked to her about it, so I don't know if I can talk her into it. But if you want to see that, comment below and we'll see what we can do.
What are you fixing to do? He just won't let me drive so he can take my picture. Are you going to drive that big old hot rod car? I'm going to drive this big old hot rod car. Whee! Oh my.
Button right there.
Oh, okay.
Just push it.
Drive, right?
There's a little button right there. Up there.
Oh, mash it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hold back.
Are we ready?
Couple more.
No, they're not.
There you go.
Okay. Okay, here we go. You got me a hot rodding this morning, so I'm gonna try to get you back to the house, okay?
Oh, it'll be fine.
This is a little bit fun. I didn't ever think I'd be driving a hot rod with my grandson, but I am.
Yeah, how do you like?
Okay. All right, here we go. Wow, boy, isn't that fun? Whee!
Yeah. You ain't kidding. Grandma. Really was getting a hot rod, huh?
Here I am driving a hot rod and didn't want my boys when they was young out of speeding.
Yeah, but we won't tell them that,
Kind of gets in your blood though, don't it?
Yeah. back out here.
See, I don't know where that signal light is.
Oh, don't worry about it. See, this is what I was talking about, Grandma. She just lives life to the fullest. No matter. Just full throttle. You know, pun intended. Like I said, she's 87, right? 87 years old.
Yeah. See.
Yeah, just go around those speed bumps.
I should have drove over that. I thought that.
That's alright.
It's clear that way.
Yep.
Yep. What do you think about that, Grandma? What do you think about the old
Oh.
Camaro?
This is something now, I'll tell you it is. Really, I actually like to drive it. I mean, it's kind of exciting.
Yeah.
I can see why Ian likes the hot rod.
See, I told you she liked it.
And we just pull right up there.
Yeah.
Is that okay?
Yep.
We made it,
Yep.
didn't we? That was fun. Okay.
It's good.
Hmm?
It's here.
It's here.
Now push that button again.
Yeah. Start button.
All this.
No.
That button.
Oh.
There you go.
These new ones ain't got no key.
Yeah.
You know, so you just push the button.
I'm still a driving. Oh my God.
So guys, I hope you found that entertaining and inspirational. You know, here on this channel, I don't give motivational inspiration speeches, but that is at least partially what this channel is meant to convey. That is, you know, that despite the obstacles that, you know, any of us face in life, we can, you know, fight through it and still pursue our passions and our dreams. I try to convey that not by saying it, but by doing it. And I think that's what we did here today. I think my grandma did a good job of demonstrating that way of thinking. You know, despite what life throws at you, you can still have a positive attitude and, you know, get through the hard times and still do what you want to do and enjoy life. And anyway, she's been a great inspiration to me all of my life, and I wanted to share some of that with you guys. You know, she is getting older, and I see that as, you know, some people, like I said earlier, some people perceive old age as negative or, you know, depressing. I don't see it that way. I see it as an achievement. We're all, I think, we all are fighting for that one goal over pretty much everything else in our lives. That is to live a long life. And you know, that's at least something that I strive to do. And I think, you know, most of us can agree with that. And I just hope that when I'm that age, and despite whatever life obstacles I'm facing, you know, I hope that I can have the motivation and the drive and the willpower, get it, to, you know, live my life as full as possible, like my grandma was doing. You guys, I'm going to stop talking now And I hope you guys enjoyed this. And like I said, found it, at least entertaining, if not also inspirational. And if you would like to support this channel, and you did enjoy this video, you can hit that like button. And if you want to tag along while I continue to pursue my passion for cars and, build this Camaro and my old truck, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you in the next one. Come on, big man, let's go in. No, I don't need to go there. Hey, are you listening to me? Of course not.